How to create flashcards in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to create flashcards in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com into your browser and sign in to your account. And then from here, go ahead and head over into that page where you want to create a flashcards. So this is how it's supposed to look like. And to be able to create that, you'll need to enter /gallery and then select gallery view above. And then from here, as you can see, you can create a new empty database. You can import a CSV and you can also build this flashcards using AI on Notion. So I'll simply create this flashcards with the AI option. So you just need to simply provide the information that you'll need from this AI, which you want to be included on your database on that specific gallery. You need to include the key properties that you'll need from this flashcard, such as the question, the answer, the reveal, and the formula if there is. So once you have described that on your AI, simply hit on enter on your keyboard or simply click on send from here, and this will be sent to your AI. So make sure that you enter the proper command to be able to generate the correct results. So this will load. As you can see, the Notion AI will then generate it for you. So it may take a while depending on how much data are they going to include on that database that you've asked for. And then once it is done, you can go ahead and customize it into this section. So as you can see, you can add this Notion tags and last reviewed section, and then click on continue to proceed with the next step, and then click on done once you're done with customizing it. And now once you head over into the study mode section, you'll be able to find this flashcards. And that is how you can basically create flashcards in Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.